Been having a hella busy day today, but I still have a lot to do, of which Sahini 3:41 p.m. And during the day I managed to do most of my assignments, and most of them I've submitted. I'm yet to finish one of them. Do you remember yesterday we soaked some clothes here? So number one, I have to clean the clothes. Number two, I want to mop kidogo the house. Number three, I want to prepare dinner, of which we are going to be preparing something that is not here, so we have to go get it from where I can source it from, and it's not like a walking distance. Okay, yes, it's a walking distance, but it's a bit far. The beddings, the towel, the sleeping gears, house clothes, outside clothes, done cleaning the clothes. Now I have to take them to the rooftop. 3 more stories up, and they are heavy, guys. They are so heavy. And then there are these black clothes that are about to fall, but I'll just lean on the little faith that I have that hazitaanguka. And finally we are here, and I'm having a difficult time deciding on which clothesline to use, because there aren't much of them, and the good ones occupy already. So let me just decide on the one that I'm going to take, and then we hang them, then get back to the house.
My editing software gonna issues while trying to get music to the video, so expect this video to be musicless.
Bro, it's currently 5:15, 1 hour and something, and I think 1 hour 20 minutes later, and I'm done cleaning the clothes, and I'm feeling a bit tired, but I have to clean the balcony, and there is a bit of an update. Changing the Wi-Fi that I'm using currently. It's really, yes, I know it's student friendly, but it's not serving me well, because inakwanga ile Wi-Fi devices, like you just pay for the number of devices that you can use the internet. The positive side of it is inakwanga unlimited. You're not limited at 05 Mbps, 15 Mbps, but the limitation of the devices, it's just not convenient. So I'm waiting for that guy to arrive. He has told me he'll be here within the next 20 minutes. So before that, I'll be cleaning the shoes and the balcony, and then after he's done installing everything, I'll now clean ukumbele, and after cleaning that, I'll go get the fish. Did I tell you it's the fish? Oops, I just licked it. I'll just go get the food, and then we prepare the food, and that is the update so far. What the fuck the function? Wow, who is this? Yeah, this name is sister and mom. This is like king of most of the life. Next, I have to clean this balcony. It's now clean. I can step on the floor. I'm here to rant. You know why? I've been waiting for this guy for over 2 hours. So guys, I want to rant ndo hiki tuishe. Number one, I've been waiting for this guy for over 2 hours. I've done my chores, nimemaliza, nampigia ananiambia 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Ako wapi? Sasa ananipigia, nilimpinia location like 2 hours ago. Sasa ananipigia kuniuliza ni wapi. Namuelezea. Ananiambia si ufanye tu hivi, nitumie pin location. Bro, I sent it 2 hours ago. Let me just do it for them to come. Wanimalizia waende, cause mimi I just can't handle them. Okay, akiwa kai.